Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Docker registry data on VPS step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your VPS through SSH. Use a terminal application like PuTTY or your command line interface. Log in with your username and password or SSH key. Ensure you have Docker installed on your VPS. Check the status of your Docker registry using the command Docker PS. Identify the container name or ID for your registry. Stop the Docker registry container with Docker stop container _name _ ID. Locate the volume where your registry data is stored. This is typically found in a directory you've mounted for persistent storage. If you're unsure, check your Docker compose file or the command used to run the registry. Once you've identified the directory, make a backup of this data. You can use the tar command to create a compressed file of the registry data. Run the command tar czvf registry backup.tar.gz/path/to/registry/data. Wait for the command to complete. This may take some time depending on the size of your data. After the backup is complete, verify that the backup file exists. List your files with /lsh. For safety, transfer your backup file to another location. You can use SCP or any other file transfer method you prefer. Run scp registry backup.tar.gz user at remote_host/path/to/destination. Replace user, remote_host, and /path/to/destination with your actual details. Once the transfer is complete, confirm the backup on the destination server. Finally, restart your Docker registry container using Docker start container _name _ ID. Your backup process is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.